everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1968 Ford Mustang. Killer car, guys. Complete rotisserie restoration. It's got oxidized primer floorboards. Car was done 4 years ago. Neat car, guys. Factory color combination. It is a factory red car with black interior. It is also a factory 4-speed car, and it is the original J-code 302 underneath the hood. You can see it's got the stock GT wheels, BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Nice car, man. Fun car to go bang the gears. Very nicely done car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. You can see it's got the GT fog lights. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Factory red car. I can't remember in '68 if it's called Candyapple. It's got the hood mount, turn signals. Bucket seat, console, interior. We are gonna have to. The switch on the top's acting up a little bit. We have to figure that out. It's kind of cycling up. I don't know what it's doing, so the top keeps coming up a little bit. Either have to order a switch or find out what's going on with it. Dang in the trim right there. Nice and straight down the sides. I mean, just good, solid, straight body. Again, BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Stock rally wheels. You can see it's got the correct exhaust tips on it. Nice car, and like I say, just as nice on the bottom. Power front disc brakes. Again, this is a correct J-code 302 car. I'm sorry, I said power disc brakes. It's manual drum brakes. It's power steering. It's got a, I think it's a Holly 4-barrel if I remember right. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, detailed up. Very nice underneath the hood here. Again, it is a factory 4-speed manual transmission. Got the black C-stripe on the side. Good looking car. Original A-pillar chrome. You can pick that a little bit. Chrome mirrors are nice. Looks like the door handles have definitely been replaced. New door rubbers, door seams are clean. There's your door tag with all your codes on it. Again, factory black interior. They've definitely redone all this in here. New carpet. It's got the seat belts in it. Definitely redone the seats. Wood grain steering wheel. You can see how nice that is. Look how clean the gauges are. Shows 38,000. I'm assuming that's 138. It's got the wood grain package. He did not know the mileage on the restoration. padded dash is nice. A lot of these that I see, the dashes are warped. This one you can see is really nice. The wood grain's in great shape. That is a factory AM FM 8-track player. We couldn't get it to come on, but I don't know if it's actually, if you know what I'm talking about, when you clip them on, you should get a little click when you turn the power. It's not doing that, so I don't know if it's something in the radio. Again, dual exhaust, factory rear axle. He upgraded the gear. I think it's a 350 now, he said. Again, really nice in here when you look at all the cracks and crevices. Spares in here. You can see they put a new fuel tank in it. I mean, this thing is nice. This is a nice car. Look at the bottom of this thing. That is a beautiful car. As always, we post pictures of all our cars underneath. Do videos of all these cars. We are doing, trying to really get people to make sure you call us on a car that you're looking at. The phone number here is 248-620-3355. A lot of scams out there. A lot of people taking our pictures and putting ridiculously low prices on them and scamming people out of money. Please pick up the phone and call. Stock shifter. Starlight glass. Just a little sweetheart. No big cam, nothing like that. Like I say, runs out nice and smooth, shifts good. Other than that radio, I think everything on it was working. Good looking car. Gauges are all functional. Power top does work, guys. Don't put it up though. We'll check on that switch. Like I said, it wants to kind of cycle through the power, and I don't know what it is. We may end up having to replace that switch. Could be a connection, but I'm not real sure. Put it reversed it. Okay. Couldn't get the radio on. Blower motor did work. All the wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Nathan's going to struggle shifting that car with those size 15 shoes. People always ask, Nathan's 6'4", so if you're a bigger guy, you can fit in these things. His size 15s in these cars get a little weight shifted. Nice car.